Welcome to our exploration of the Book of Revelation, one of the Bible's most enigmatic and intriguing texts. Whether you're new to biblical studies or simply curious about what this final chapter of the Bible holds, we're here to guide you through its vivid imagery and profound messages. Revelation is not your typical book of the Bible. It's a fascinating tapestry of visions and symbols, written by John while exiled on the island of Patmos. Think of it as a glimpse into an ancient prophecy filled with themes of hope, judgment, and redemption. The book reveals itself through a series of dramatic scenes, angels, trumpets, and mysterious creatures, each with its significance. Central to Revelation is the idea of a cosmic battle between good and evil, culminating in the ultimate victory of God. In essence, it's about the end of the world as we know it, and the beginning of a new divine era. Key themes include the sovereignty of God, the importance of faith in difficult times, and the promise of a new heaven and new earth.
Take Revelation 21 verse 4, for example. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain. This verse encapsulates the hope and comfort that Revelation offers to believers. It's about restoration and renewal.
Another significant passage is Revelation 5:5, where the Lion of the tribe of Judah, the Root of David, is described as worthy to open the scroll with 7 seals. This symbolizes Jesus' authority and role in God's plan, tying the Old and New Testaments together. Revelation also highlights the importance of perseverance, reminding us in Revelation 2:10 to be faithful even to the point of death, promising the crown of life to those who endure. These messages were powerful for early Christians facing persecution and continue to inspire believers today. In conclusion, the book of Revelation isn't just an apocalypse of doom, but a profound message of hope, resilience, and divine promise. As we unravel the layers of this mystifying narrative, we're invited to reflect on its timeless themes and consider our place within the larger story of faith. Join us as we delve deeper into the revelations of Revelation.